covering my head. You know where's my head, right? Look at me, Barbers. Where is Barbers now? I cannot see him. I am in darkness, okay? I am in darkness. See? If I'm... Where is it? Where is it? See? If I'm covering my head, look at what happened. I cannot see you because my eyes is part of my head. Edward, and you want me to cover my head? See? People, why you need to listen to these guys? But I love this person. I love this person because he is my viewer, okay? He is my viewer. And praying that God, work on this on his life, that this person will not harden his heart, you know, uh, will not harden his emotion. We have this emotion